Okay, this is our project detection of fake profiles on social networks. Our batchmates are Arnath Reddy, V. Sri Sai Rajesh, G. Vamsi Reddy. Our supervisor, we are guided by N. Ratipriya ma'am. This is our agenda abstract. Our agenda. This is abstract. Fake profiles plays an important role in advanced pesticides threats and are also involved in other malicious activities. If no present, social networks play an important role for internet users to carry out their daily activities like content sharing, news spreading. There are so many fake profiles. That's why we are doing this project to detect fake profiles on social networks. This is our objective aim of the project is we detect the fake profiles on social media. The main aim of the project is detection of fake profiles on social media. Scope of the project: in this project we will identify the profile's accuracy, whether the given profile is genuine or fake. Domain of the project is machine learning. Introduction: in this generation, everyone in society has become associated with the social media. These social media have made it effective in the way we preserve our social life in this project using artificial neural networks. Okay, let's go to literature review. Detecting spammers on social media in graphs. Our project shows in output in graphs. This is our literature review. After this is our methodology user model. Any user can use this application and enter test data of latest accounts and calls in ANN algorithm. ANN algorithm will take new test data and applied train model to predict whether given test data contains fake or genuine details. Standards and policies. Standard of the project ensure that quality is maintained throughout the project and to efficiently manage all the documents created through the project. The policies of the project are managed effectively within the scope quality resource. This is our implementation processor AMM qualifier result database. One database is maintained, and this is our implementation description about architecture diagram. Architecture diagram is a diagram of a system that we use to abstract the overall outline of the developing hardware system and the relationship to constraints and boundaries between components. It is an important tool as it provides an overall view of the physical development of the software system and its evolution roadmap. This is our data flow diagram. This is description about data flow diagram. Data flow diagram shows the way of information flows to a process to the system. It includes the data inputs and outputs, stores data, and the different subprocesses that data moves through. Implementation UML diagram. Implementation. This is description about UML diagram. This is a sequence diagram. Description about the sequence diagram. Collaboration diagram. Description about collaboration diagram. This is our we have used these all testing methods. These are all printed in our project. White box in testing, black box testing. This is our input output. Okay, bro, Vamshi, you can go on.
I am Vamshi Reddy. Our teammate project is about the detection of fake profiles in the social media. Go scroll next. At first we have conclusion. First I can explain about the project, which the detection of the fake profiles that can be used in the many ways that nowadays we are using the many social analysis data that can be utilized by the everyone, that and we can be considered as the main problems like online personalization and growth of the feasible solution and automatic framework classification, etc. And the main algorithm of the main problem and mission algorithm of this technique is about the techniques to clarify the automate detection and to explain the profiles that can be examined automatically that can be explained in the automatically genuine or other prank experts. This can be identified by the fake profiles. The main ingredient is the social enhancement is about the NLP people using techniques, and that can be used in the data data set and machine learning algorithms. And the main purpose of this project is about the vector machine and the neural network to classify the works. We can discuss about the future enhancements. In this project, environment neutral network can be proposed by the artificial algorithms. That means in this artificial algorithms means we can use the many sites as per the drastic change in our social life. So that we can be using artificial domestic changes, and we can be used in the frameworks using the classification techniques that can be used in the social networks. Further, we can be utilize the face technology user performing features, and that can be told about the series prediction. If user account detected fake, it could not be the creator. So that is why we can use the online impersonalization. Next, and we can see about the web link. Scroll down. Web link in the above, we can see about the web link, and next about the plagiarism report of the PPT. Plagiarism report of the PPT that can be used in the scroll. Next, plagiarism report of the PPT that can be used in the making the keep contact in the various social lives that can be utilized in the other techniques which are used in the modern social networks and other the problems of the many projects and other used in the techniques of the many sites that can be used in the growth and well manufactured online personalization and other techniques which are used in the NLP. If you use in the NLP that can be used if you use in the NLP which can be used in by the online purpose, so that easily we can change the fake social media profiles, so that can be utilized in the main purpose of the drastic changes. And the next about the this can be in nowadays we are very popular about, we are very danger in the online networks that can be used in the various purposes. Example, various social media, Facebook and other things that we have to utilizing. So that can be utilized by the detection of the social fake profiles. This can be avoided by the using the good network systems of the many important changes that can be looked by the various purpose, and we can be used in the other techniques. So that can we can use the reference technique also used in the other purposes, and this media can we can be utilized by the various profiles and hotspots, various developed marketing techniques and dynamic techniques, relevant results that can be utilized. If we go to the another topic about the fake social media, which can be used by the various researchers websites and our techniques in the others in other countries, so that it is not difficult to stand the crowd, especially which is used in the Facebook, Instagram, building awareness techniques and social committees. The main important components in the fake social media detector of our project is about the graphic design, copywriting, community management, reporting. Graphic design means which can be designed by the entire followers, and the copywriting is about the copy which we can copy the users cannot resist. Community management is the main purpose of using the following business trust techniques. Social media and management is about the strategy to give inquiries, and reporting is about that the channels that we are growing and the very fast channels that we are growing. And we have seen the web series and other media social techniques which can be easily opened by the other ways of the project. Okay.
This is our poster presentation.